The first DIY here is a painting wall art that I used with acrylic paint. So the first thing I did was to get some painter's tape to create a border, and then I used black acrylic paint on the edge. So I ensure that the corners are even, and then I use acrylic paint. So I use black acrylic paint on the edging of this border to get that little contrast. Ensure you stick around to the end of the video to see the other DIYs that are so easy to make. So after creating this border and remove the tape, I went in with this pink. It's a mixture of red and white to get this pinkish tone paint, and then I just create a little corner here, and at the top left a next corner there. So after creating these two corners here, I went in and did a random circle. This art was actually inspired by macenna. I will link her channel into the description. So once I put the circle there, I went over to the left side and create a little, what should I call this, like a little hill. Yes, like a little hill. And so I use a stroke at one end for it to meet up at that end. After that, now I did the same thing in opposite direction below it. And after I did all this, here's the finished project. Hope you like it. For the next DIY, I have this piece of fabric that I like. I didn't know what I was going to use it for, but I knew I would use it for something. So here I'll be using it to create a artwork in a picture frame. So I have these two frames. I cut out the size for the frame. I take out the board piece. Then I place the glass over the fabric itself, and then I put the board behind it, and then I put the frame over it and seal it. This one is so easy. Any fabric that you have around the house, you can use it to create a art piece or a decor piece, a wall art, anything. This one is very easy. You can use it to do anything that you wish for. I use mine to create a frame, and here's a finished project. I hope you like it. And for the final DIY, I'll be using these books as decorative books. So what I do, I get spray paint and I'll be spray painting them. So I purchased actually 5 books, but I'll be only doing the DIY for 2 of them. But you'll be seeing me using them around the living room as decorative books. So I use silver spray paint, white spray paint, black spray paint, and you can use any color of your choice. Once you have an old book, instead of throwing it away, you can just spray or paint that book and lay it around the home as a decor piece. Also, you may watch my previous video that I posted with the living room of how I use these items to decorate the living room. You can click the link in the description to watch that video. Here you will be seeing me laying them around the home, and I hope you like them. So easy. You can decorate it as well with any decor that you have. I decorate mine with the DIY toy that you see me made in previous DIY video. I will put the link in the description for that video. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please like and share out this video. Click the notification bell as well so you can get similar videos like these when they're posted.